Hi, I'm Kevin, this is Real World Natural Living, and this is our conclusion video about how many potatoes we got in our 10 by 10 area in our front yard. So if you left a guess on the last potato video, you will find out how many are in here today, and I'm going to give you a shout out in the video. So in case you don't know, I'm an advocate for front yard gardening and finding alternative spaces instead of just the regular backyard garden that everybody has, because I think that growing our own food is good, and that way you can maximize your food production. So the amount of potatoes we got is right behind me here, and I gotta say I'm a little disappointed. I think I was a little off with my guess or wishful thinking of 100 pounds. Our ground back here is pretty tough and hard and everything, and we do have, again, one tree here, one tree back here, and one tree up here that are right here too, and we didn't add any fertilizer or anything to these potatoes, so that's a thing maybe too. So I'm gonna weigh these. I haven't weighed them, I just got to figure out how I'm gonna do that, and then I'm going to announce the winner if anybody actually guessed. And if nobody guessed, well then I'll just tell you how many were there. Okay, so the potatoes are in the bag here. So I am 183.8. So I'm just gonna do that again to make sure that that's right. 183.8. Okay, I'm gonna grab this bag and I'm gonna get onto the scale. $206.6. We'll do that again. $205. Okay, one more time. Weird. $206. So we got about 21 to 22 pounds of potatoes in our front lot there. So it was a little off from my 100 pounds that I was wishfully hoping for. It didn't happen, so now I know better. So our winner was Jamie Burkett with the guess was 45 pounds, and that was the closest one. So thank you very much, I appreciate it a lot. So I guess the question becomes, was it worth it to plant those potatoes in there? And I would say actually no. For 21 to 22 pounds of potatoes, that's like a bag of potatoes we could buy pretty cheap, and for the time and effort we put into those potatoes and the water and everything, for me it probably wouldn't be worth it. It is nice to have some potatoes that would grow for sure, that's a guarantee. So next year in that lot, we've tried corn, we've tried potatoes, we're probably just going to put some flowers in there, like some wildflowers, just feed the bees and keep continuing with other areas of our garden. I think that area would work better if it was maybe in a raised bed, but honestly right now we're not prepared to build a raised bed there right now, so we're going to do some wildflowers, and then maybe in the future we'll put some raised beds in. That's the video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be our first time out doing an overnight backpack trip. So I'm looking forward to that video. And remember the most important thing, folks, take care of yourself.